Okay, this me. I'm in my pad at the house. Or if you can kind of see what's in there. It's a hard antique type stool I bought right here. See, that's another stool, a bar stool right here. This a bar stool here. That's one of my tables, one of my heavy duty. It's one of my heavy duty work tables right here. Office table. Work tables. See. That's my dolly over there. Hell. I got plenty of dollies and stuff like that. That's another dolly, flat dolly right there. Heavy duty. Work table. Let me get a desk. That's some of my stuff would be all like spread out and stuff like that. Crazy. Laptop and stuff sitting on here on that side. Louis Vuitton. Couple of my skateboard on the ground. I usually have it right here on the damn. This part right here. My skateboard keeps stuff like that. On my folding chair, skateboard. Batman's. That's another stepping stool right there. A beaver stuff on that side. And then the turtle poster. Another one of my Milwaukee Jets. Property of the Jets. Christmas get here and everything. Property of the New York Jets. Jet logo. It's on your Clay Network. Clay Network. Jet Capital. Over here. Always got cowboy down, cowboy though. I'm a fan. But yeah. Up on my work table and this stool right here. It's supposed to sit up here. The hash to like this sitting around. It'll be like in the same spot kinda. That's another one on my bar stool. Keep so like that. There's one of my. There's a nice bar stool. This right here, a footstool right here. I had it been kind of going through it. I use it as a little like a little table to roll my little cigarette, my little weed up on here. Wanna smoke a little joint there now and then. One of my safes right here. That's my wheelbarrow right there. Another dollar right there. You see this dollar right here? That's my 300-pound dollar right here. My guitar. That's my guitar right there. Show you the skateboard. Small refrigerator. That's my heavy duty dollar right here. The 300-pound one. That's a Milwaukee too. I think that was something like that. Man. Pretty good though. Pretty big. I keep my stuff over here. That side. Yep. We do that's my yard service sign right there. Here. Me. Here. Tri-Bill. My cooler. One of my ties right here. So we can have it hanging nice. One of my ties. Necktie, bow ties. Jet Capital. For the world. And on the Jets over here. Property of the Jets. Christmas time get here and stuff like that. Like to wear my Santa Claus hat. I like to wear my Santa Claus hat. Over here. Stop that. That's on like here. All my tools so you can see what like to run down. But like see, please subscribe, let me know I'm coming. I would take a shot, but hell, I'm probably not right now.